Hi, my name is Tiago Duarte and welcome to another video tutorial here at DailyBeats. I just made a beat and I didn't record it. So I was here all excited showing off how to make this track and I didn't record it. So what I'm going to do, I have the track already here in a really good state. It's a techno track. I just bought this magazine, the November edition, I think. It's at least it says 11/2019. And we are just on the 10th, which is a little bit odd, but whatever. And I really enjoy these magazines because it brings a CD with a bunch of sounds. As you can see here, 3.3 gigahertz of sounds and also 2.2 gigahertz of sound banks, which is quite nice. And my German is not yet very good. I can understand some stuff here, but it's also a good way to practice my German while I listen or learn stuff, music related stuff. And I downloaded the sounds and I started to mess around with some sounds here, and I did this techno track and I thought I was recording. I was all excited because the track is so nice and I didn't record it. So yeah, I will continue now the process and I will show you the rest of the track. Unfortunately, I cannot go back in time and show you how I did the track, but I can give you a rundown or run through to show you what I did so far. Before we start, I would like I would like to ask you to subscribe and activate the notifications so that you know when I upload new videos. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Also consider supporting my channel by buying one of my products at DailyBeatsVI or become a premium or exclusive member, and you will have access to exclusive tutorials about music production and also to the project files of these tutorials that I do here. And that really helps me bringing more content here for you guys. And yeah, let's switch back to FL Studio. This is what I have so far. I have two kicks. I have a sample that I used, that it was here in one of these packs, and you will see how the sample ends up. I have a Vacuum Pro creating some bass. I have here some cabasses. I have a loop, and I was going to add here something else with flex. So let's listen to it. By the way, I had also these vocals here just to mess around with it, having something to work with. And let's listen to everything. I also have this loop here. Very simple loop. I like the snap. As you can see, this is how the harp ended up. Really nice. This is just some random pattern that I created. I'm really sorry I can't show you the full track, but this is basically what I have. I have a kick. I have a second kick, just to create some bounce, some rhythm. I have this cabasa here, which are these patterns here. I added the drum loop, not in this order exactly. I also added the harp. The harp here, as you can see, it's pitched down, so it sounds really nice like that. If I add it here, doesn't sound bad, which I can use in a different section of the track, and I can even go like this. Okay. But for now, I like it the way it is. I have here this bass and this sidechain here with the kick, which is now not sidechaining. Okay, and I also have the Vox. Okay, this is basically it, what I have so far. And I was going to mess around here with Flex, trying to see if I could find something that I could add here to the track. Let's see, some plugs. another one. I like this one. Maybe I can add some kind of harp. Okay, I like that. Or I like the sound of it. Let's go and find something here. Okay. Maybe lower G. No, let's see. I like that, even though this can be just like that. Not sure if this is actually adding something here. We can add some effects here, or we can even add some of the effects here. Let's see, ping pong. Let's go with a short one. Let's reduce the mix. Okay, we can even add some kind of automation here. Let's actually do that. Let's create an automation clip and let's automate the living crap out of this. And for now, we just listen to the very, very simple. So this is the bell. And we can even add here some kind of reverb. Very long reverb actually. Okay, now we can add some kind of effect. Let's go again with Flex. I love Flex. This is a really nice plugin. Let's go to all. I think this pack is for trance, so I'm not sure if I will buy it. So yeah, I don't do trance, so it's not my. Let's go here with effects. Nice. Maybe. So this is just a drum kit. Let's see, laser, hyperstar. I like that. Okay, so let's go to a new pattern and let's have this just for this beginning. Let's bring it here, let's lower it down. And for this one, I just want the top end. I don't want the low frequency of the signal. So let's go here. Let's apply a high pass filter. And I want to embed all this into reverb. Let's add a big ass reverb. Okay, maybe just in one side. So effects. And just subtle, very subtle. But it's there creating some atmosphere. Okay, let's go again with another flex. Let's go with the effects also again. Sound effects. Let's see what we have here. Okay, so this one has multiple effects. In a gunshot. Nice. Let's see this one. So this is it, guys. I hope you really enjoyed. I'm sorry if I couldn't show you the first part of the track, which was the most exciting, at least for me. I was very excited on showing you how this track was going, or the process of how to create this track. Unfortunately, I did not record it, and yeah, things happen, shit happens, and sometimes that's it is what it is. I will take this track and I will add it to my album, which I'm working on. It's called Slow Motion. So yeah, this I hope it will be released soon. I have like, I don't know, 10 songs already, and yeah, they are still in a rough or in draft mode. It's not yet fully. Some are already finished, kind of finished. But yeah, it still needs. What I'm trying to do just first is to have the bulk of the work, and then I will refine it and arrange all the tracks to make them sound very cohesive in the album itself. So this is it. If you want to see how the sounds will end up, stay tuned. I will be posting news in my social media here on YouTube. So I will have all the links in the description if you want to follow me in social media. And if you are new here to this channel, subscribe and activate notifications if you like my content. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below, and consider supporting my channel by buying one of my products at DailyBeats.pt or become a premium or exclusive member, and you will have access to exclusive tutorials about music production and also to the project files of these tutorials. This helps a lot to keep this channel alive and for me to continue bring you these tutorials and bring you knowledge on music production. This is it. My name is Tiago Duarte, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.